Emma woke up to a beautiful sunny day. She looked outside her window and saw the birds singing in the trees. It was a perfect day to go to the park with her friends. After a quick breakfast, she put on her favorite outfit and headed outside. When she met her friends at the park, they decided to play frisbee. It was a bit windy, but it made the game even more fun. After playing for a while, they sat down on a bench to relax and enjoy the beautiful weather. Suddenly, they started smelling something delicious. They followed the scent to a nearby bakery and couldn't resist going inside. The bakery was filled with fresh bread, pastries, and cakes. Everything looked so delicious. Emma, Sarah, and Liam each chose a different treat. They sat outside the bakery and enjoyed their delicious snacks as they chatted and laughed together. What's the weather like today?
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Great! Let's go for a walk in the park.
Sounds good. But it's a bit windy, so hold on to your hat.
Don't worry, I will. Look at those flowers. They're so beautiful.
Yes, they are. And the cake you brought looks delicious.
Thank you. I hope you like it.